I have a problem holding on to free. Drink up. It's gonna be a long ride. So basically, at this point, I can either get it together, throw the whole bucket away, or just admit that I have a problem. So, hey everybody, welcome back to All the World's Ills. It's me, the one and only, okay? The one and the only. Dolly Prado, what's up? Hi. Anyway, girl, this is what I've been avoiding. This, okay? Let's just get straight into it. I don't have time. I don't have time for the extras, okay? Come on, let's just open this up and just get straight into all of this. You want a fancy B-roll? I will give you a fancy B-roll, okay? I will give it to you. You just give me a minute, okay? Hold on. Honestly, it's rude that you thought I was playing around. Like, nobody wants to do this. Nobody wants to throw this stuff out. Why would I want to do that? You know? I think it's best for us to go through the makeup brushes first because it's like the obvious and the easiest. So let's do that. Grab some water. All right. So other than that, so I'm gonna be at an angle because I just feel like being cool like that. Let me try to fix this. There we go. So Sheila, let's go through these brushes. I just want you to know, don't judge me, okay? I'm gonna take them all out at once. I don't have time for that. This particular makeup case, I got this from TikTok Shop over a year ago, and I don't have TikTok anymore, so I can't link it. I can't help you with that at all. I'm sorry. I will try to see if I can find like a duplicate on Amazon. I won't do that now. I'm just gonna let you know it's not gonna be in the description at all, but I will let you know later on. I'll let you know. All right, so at this moment, these are the brushes that I see and I'm working with. I really feel like I have more brushes, but I guess this is what I have. So let's go ahead and see what's going on with this. I don't know. I feel like I have more brushes, but I just don't see them. So a couple of these brushes came from like a set. A couple of them are miscellaneous Amazon type of stuff. I'll definitely link that. I have a whole section on my Amazon storefront with makeup that's under $10 or just makeup in general, all types of stuff. Okay, I love affordable makeup, so that's like one of my things for real. Like under 20 bucks or under $10, I really am there. But like, you know, I love affordable makeup, really do. So let's see. This is a foundation brush from Bare Minerals. Now, I'm not gonna say I'm not a fan of it. I actually am okay with this. What I would say is that this is actually supposed to be used for liquid, I believe. And I wouldn't use it for that, but I also wouldn't use it for powder. I would use it for cream. And I only say that because it doesn't really pick up the product well with cream, right? But hear me out. The stipple of it is really nice, and it really just pats it out. Look, I have to get through the makeup first, so I'm not gonna test it, but just trust me when I say the stipple of it is what I really like. So I mean, it would be up to you. The inside has that kabuki type of feel. Had to change my camera thing, but the inside of this has like this kabuki type of feel where it's really like thick and hard, so it gives you that like compact powder type of thing, kind of similar to like this one. This is a miscellaneous brush that I got from Amazon, but it's hard like that in the inside, and around it is like a nice stipple brush. So I don't know. I say cream. I think it's supposed to be liquid. I'm not sure about the powder. I don't really see much of a difference. But Bare Minerals, I know that they're more of like natural ingredients or naturalness type of foundation and things. And actually, fun fact, my very first foundation was Bare Minerals when I was young. I think I was like 15. I don't know. Wearing makeup at 15, I have no idea. I grew up in Vegas. But anyway, my very first foundation was Bare Minerals. I had bad acne growing up. Bad acne here and here, right here, very bad. But it broke me out more. That's my point. So yeah, I don't really have the best memories when it comes to Bare Minerals, but this brush I'm gonna keep. So going on to this set of the brushes, I have 1, 2, 3 from 4 from this particular set, and these are really cute. As you see, I haven't used this one yet. What is this? Oh, a nice powder brush. I like that a lot. Oh, that's cute. That's really cute. So we're gonna keep that. This whole set is really nice. I do believe I actually do have this linked on my Amazon storefront. Very nice. Love these brushes. High quality, very affordable. I believe under $10 if I'm not mistaken, but extremely high quality in my opinion. I haven't tried many makeup brushes. Definitely want to get into buying more makeup brushes, buying more makeup, and actually liking what I'm buying, making sure that I'm taking care of the things that I'm getting. So yeah, keeping these because I like them a lot and they're worth taking care of. I do actually have a video on my shorts of me washing my makeup brushes, and yeah, so I do that. I do wash them. I have not been in this kit in quite quite some time. I actually have not put on makeup in months. Now that I really think about it, I don't think I put on makeup since I've had a baby, maybe a little bit before that, but this is my natural face. So do you like my natural face, or do you want me to put on makeup? Because like I told can, like it's not even a big deal. Anyway, let's hurry up, okay? So then we have a whole bunch of miscellaneous brushes. All right, we have this Fenty beauty brush. I believe I got this in a FabFitFun box. It's a contour and concealer brush, and I like it a lot. I use this for blush. I like to pat it in. I do my highlight with it like that, and just I like to use this for just concentrated things basically. And like it says, contour and concealer. I use it for blush and contouring basically. Definitely keeping this. So these three come in a set, and it's linked on my Amazon storefront. I believe it's like $7.99. Not these three, but it's like more. I don't know where they are. I had accumulated a whole lot of eyeshadow brushes, and I condensed it all the way down. I have no idea why I had a ton of eyeshadow brushes. So I'm like out here with like 2 eyeshadow brushes. That's what I'm saying. I know I have more makeup and I don't know where it is because I'm missing a blending brush and all types of stuff. That's the point. So we're gonna clean this out, and then one day we're gonna try to see. I got creamer, Apple Jacks, chicken, and pizza. Ooh. Anyway, so we're gonna try to see like what we're gonna need after this. To be honest with you, I don't wanna do this. I don't wanna throw anything away. Like, why are we even having this conversation right now? Maybe it should be like a makeup collection. Okay, I'm just gonna put that in my head, okay? But yeah, so these ones, are they as good as these? No, so I actually might throw these out because, but no, I kept them because they're equally as good. They're not bad. And then as you see, I have different brushes, like for different ones. So that's why it's like a different set. But yeah, no, I did legit go through all my makeup brushes, and I kind of did purge them all. So this is what I'm left with, and I'm actually gonna keep all of these. This one, I have no idea what this is really about. I don't know what this part is for. If anybody can tell me what's the point of this, but I use this for blush. Do like that. So when it comes to the brushes, we're not throwing anything away. Sorry, let's go ahead and put those back. This might be a little difficult, but we're gonna make the best out of it. All right, so next we have concealers. I'm not going to be heavy on the swatching or anything. I'm just gonna kind of quickly go through it and see, do I really want it, or, you know, I'm gonna be kind of quick with it. Not really gonna do the most. Ooh, this whole lot of stuff.